Hi, Josh Campbell here with Rescue Air, and I just wanted to update you on our COVID-19 procedures. So a lot has changed even in the last week since we put out our last video, and we've got all kinds of new processes and protocols in place. So really we laid our plan out for this week into 5 goals. Goal number 1 is Rescue Air stays open. None of this matters if we don't. Goal number 2 is to protect our team and to protect our customers. Goal number 3, we want to make sure that everybody feels comfortable and safe. That includes the families of our team members who we get to go home to. Goal number 4, we need to remain operationally efficient. And goal number 5 is that we have to plan for worst case scenario, which leads us back to number 1. As an essential service provider, we need to remain open. So to abide by social distancing standards, to keep people safe here in our office, we're doing some interesting things. We've broken our call center up and we've broken our shifts up. So we've offset shifts. We bought a lot of laptops, allowed people to work from home as much as they can, but if they've got critical roles that are working here, they're not working on top of each other in any way. We also have installed air scrubbers, which allows the air quality in this office to be fantastic. These things are known to kill viruses, and I don't think this is the kind of place that this virus wants to come hang out. The environment's super clean. Our cleaners are coming in the evenings when no one else is here so that we have a good, clean environment when everybody gets here first thing in the morning, not to mention we're cleaning this place up and down all day long. If we do have to have a meeting that's more than 2 people, that meeting takes place over the internet virtually. We're using Zoom. Our operating software is fantastic, and that really gives us the ability to dispatch our technicians and to take our calls all from a remote location so that we can do the lion's share of our work remotely and only be here for the work that we really have to be in the office for. From our field staff perspective, we've made a lot of changes too. So now our techs are picking up their parts and their vehicles outside of the building. They rarely have to come into the building for any purpose. We have one person designated every morning. They come in early, they use our fogger and they fog the vehicles and they go through every single one of them. Then they take the parts bins inside, restock the truck, and then the service tech literally never even walks into the building, and they don't even interact with one another. If they have to have a meeting, they're doing it in our back parking lot, standing 12 feet apart from one another. So from a cleanliness perspective, we're doing a lot to make sure we're keeping you and our team members safe. One is the washing of the hands. There's signs posted everywhere and everybody's abiding by that. But as always, we're still wearing gloves, changing out gloves regularly. We're wearing masks. Our technicians, even now in their trucks, have air scrubbers, remote air scrubbers to create a sterile environment in that truck throughout the day to help them feel comfortable and help you feel comfortable that we're not tracking things from call to call. As an essential service provider, we've got to stay out here on the front lines or people don't have air conditioning, just like a doctor or anything else. You know, when we're estimating that upwards of 20% of air conditioners are going to fail this year. So that means that we're out here working the front lines, but it also means that, you know, our team members have loved ones at home that are really concerned about them and making sure that you know, that they're not bringing anything home, but they're also coming home safely. We have one team member in particular, his name's Mitch, and we're using something around here called the Mitch mentality, and I'd ask you to use it too. He has a sister with stage 4 cancer. So the gravity of this situation is very different for him than it is for the rest of us, you know, with a sister that's that vulnerable. Take care of our team the way we're taking care of you, and help them go healthy and happy to their family, just the same way as we want to keep you healthy and happy.